I've come out to Apollo in Queensland because these guys are one of the biggest RV manufacturers in the country. In fact, the factory alone is the second largest RV manufacturing facility in Australia. And I've really got to check this one out.
So we're standing inside of our Apollo manufacturing facility, one of Australia's largest facilities. So out of this area here, we have 20,000 square metres under roof and located in Brisbane in Queensland. We have 160 factory staff that we have in the facility, and out of here we're bringing out our Apollo rental fleet, our Winnebago retail fleet. We are making up our imported Adria product, but the most exciting element at the moment, we have been manufacturing the Coromals Caravan range out to the public as of February this year. So we are manufacturing exclusively the Evolution range, now on 5 different floor plans across the Element and Pioneer. As soon as we got the Coromals range, we went into a lot of research and development to see what the public were liking about the existing product, and then what we can do to enhance that in any type of way. We're really proud of what we have on offer at the moment. We have our Winnebago and Apollo rental fleet coming out of the factory. So we have a motorhome coming off the fleet once every 6 hours. And at this stage, we have a Coromals Caravan every 10 hours with 2 production lines coming, so hoping to cut down that to half the time. So this is the Apollo-built Coromals Caravan range, which is really exciting to be under the Apollo roof in Brisbane. We're building on our Evolution range exclusively, so we have 5 models across the Element and Pioneer, with lots of thoughts around us starting up with the Appeals and the Princeton, so watch this space, not right now.
So all the panels and the roof, it's all locked together with an aluminium extrusion, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. It's all locked in exactly that way. And our ensuite as well is completely locked in, so it's just giving it that strength and durability. So the unit itself is from tip to toe, just manufactured in a way to make sure that it is as strong, durable and lightweight as possible.
Now the thing about these Coromals, I mean, it's the chassis that gets my eye every time. Now these things they've got to be lighter than a traditional RHS chassis.
Yeah, you're correct. So these are our FRV chassis, and these ones are built very similar to modern day trucks. So they are on average 130 kilograms lighter than the other types of chassis. And yeah, we're really proud of them. They have a lot of different technology to make them lighter, but also stronger. Yeah, look, we're so excited for what we're doing out here. Apollo have been known for Winnebago and for Adria in the past, but now we are the home of Coromals in Queensland, and it's a really exciting time. So we're really keen to have people like yourselves come through and have a look at what we're doing in our facility here, and we're growing and expanding, whether it's overseas in our rental fleet or it's just right here at home in our retail fleet. We're really investing in the RV industry in total.